Hello everyone. Today's question k closest points to origin. We have a list of points on the plane. Find the k closest points to the origin 0 0. Here the distance between two points on a plane is the Euclidean distance. You may return the result in any order. The answer is guaranteed to be unique except for the order that it is in. First, we will move to the pen and paper and then we will understand this question. In our question, we have given points and k. Here, points is coordinate and k is our number of closest point that we have to print. So basically, what we have to do, we have an origin point that is 0 0. We have to calculate the distance from origin to each point, and we have to if our k is 2, we have to print two closest point from this origin is 0 0. So now if k is 2, we have to print the two closest point. If k is 1, then we have to print one closest point, and if k is 3, then we have to print 3. Okay, and so on. I hope now question is clear to you. Now we will move to solution part, how we can able to solve this problem. Now we have points and we have origin and we have k value. Okay, k is 2 here, so mean we have to print two closest point. Now we will plot all this point in this graph. And now this is our x-axis and this is our y-axis. This is plus minus minus. Okay, now we plot this point in this graph, that is 3 point 1 2 and 3, 1 2 and 3. So first point is this one, that is 3 3 3 3 and 3, and next point is 5 minus 1. So of 3 4 and 5 and minus 1. This one 5 minus 1. Now our next point is minus 2 and 4. Minus 2, 1 2 and 4. So our next point is this one, minus 2 and 4. Okay, so now we plot all this point. Now our job is we have to calculate the distance from 0 to, from this origin 0 0 is origin to our destination. Our first we will iterate these points and then calculate the distance. How we will calculate the distance between these two point? How we will calculate? Simply we will apply the coordinate geometry formula, distance between 2 points. So that is, formula is x2 square minus x2 minus x1 to the power square plus y2 minus y1 to the power square and root. Okay, but here our origin is 0, so we will modify this formula little bit. We will use this formula, x square plus y square, cause our origin is fixed, our origin is 0. So our formula will be, this, and now we will modify root also, cause we don't need the distance. We actually don't need the distance. We need the closest point. We have to print the closest point, so we just use x square plus y square. Okay, so we'll apply this to store our distance. So we will take a heap, that is mean heap. First we'll iterate this point, iterate this point. First our point is 3 3, and we calculate the distance. Our distance is, now our distance is 3 square plus 3 square, that is 9 9 18. Our distance is 18, and now we store the point also. So now in the heap we store 8, we store 18 and 3 and 3. Okay, now we again, now our next point is 5 minus 1, means this, now our distance is 26. Now our distance is 26. We will 26 and our pair is 5 minus 1. Now we will push this value, distance and point in our heap, so now in heap there is 26 and 5 minus 1, and now our next point is minus 2 and 4. We will calculate the distance from origin to minus 2 and 4. We will calculate the distance from 0 to this point, and we already calculate this point and this point. Now distance is 4 and 16, that is 20. So we will add it in our heap. That is, cause mean heap always sort the value in ascending order. Okay, so in ascending order, so 20 and minus 2. I am sort of space here. Okay, I will clear. Okay, our first is 18 and 3 and next is 20 minus 2 and 4, and next is 26 5 minus 1. Okay, now we able to store all the point in sorted order inside this heap. Now we will just iterate the heap up to k time to print the k closest point, and we will take a for loop, iterate the heap to k time, and first our I is 0, and now we will pop the heap value. That is, we will take the point and append the point in result list, that is 3 3. We'll append the point 3 3 inside this result list, that is 3 and 3, and our next I value is now 1. Now we will pop the next value, that is 2 minus 2 comma 4, and now our k is 0. So we got our two closest point. So now we just print this 2 value. Okay, so I hope it's clear to you, and if it is not clear, I will explain again it in our implementation part. Please watch this implementation part too, and this code is run with this order of n time complexity, and order of n space complexity. Let's move to the implementation part. First I will take a min heap, and then I will import heap q, and now I will take a result list where I will store the result point. And first in this for loop I iterate the points x point and y point, and then we will apply the formula x square plus y square, cause our origin is fixed. So we just need the sorted order distance, and now we push the distance and point inside the heap, and heap always maintain the ascending order. And now we iterate the heap up to k time. Now we in distance we store the pop distance, and point we store the point, and now we'll append the point inside this result list, and finally we print the result list. Now we'll check our code is working or not. Yes, code is running successfully. Now I will submit it. Yeah, got accepted. Thank you for watching this video. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Bye bye.